Elderly businessman shot dead in Enfield, St. Mary. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Mary police are probing Wednesday's night murder of an elderly businessman at his home in Enfield in the parish. The deceased has been identified as 71-year-old Winston Williams of Broad Villa in Enfield. Reports are that sometime after 7 p.m., Williams and his common-law wife and other relatives were at home when armed men pounced on him and opened gunfire before escaping from the scene. When the shooting subsided, Williams was found with what appears to be gunshot wounds. The other persons at the house did not sustain any injuries. Williams was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.